Did you know that a single offshore oil platform can cost up to $650 million to construct and operate in extreme marine environments? In the demanding world of offshore energy production, organizations face unprecedented challenges navigating technological complexity, harsh operational conditions, and increasingly stringent safety and environmental regulations. Companies struggle to maintain operational excellence while balancing economic viability, worker safety, and environmental sustainability. Engineering professionals in offshore operations confront extraordinary challenges, designing and maintaining complex infrastructure in extreme marine conditions, integrating advanced technological solutions, ensuring worker safety, and meeting rigorous environmental and regulatory standards. Individual team members experience intense pressure to develop comprehensive technical skills, understand intricate engineering challenges, and make critical decisions that impact global energy infrastructure and human safety. Our comprehensive certification program provides a transformative approach to offshore oil and gas engineering. Participants will master advanced skills in marine engineering, structural design, safety systems, environmental protection, and integrated operational management specific to offshore energy production. The program goes beyond traditional technical training, offering deep insights into cutting-edge technological innovations, complex engineering solutions, and integrated risk management techniques. Organizations can expect a significant enhancement in engineering capabilities, with professionals equipped to navigate the most challenging offshore environments with precision and strategic insight. Participants will develop the ability to design robust offshore infrastructure, implement advanced safety protocols, leverage emerging technologies, and create innovative approaches that address the multifaceted challenges of offshore oil and gas engineering. The training provides a critical toolkit for leadership in a rapidly evolving energy landscape. This is more than a certification. It's a strategic pathway to mastering the complex world of offshore oil and gas engineering. Are you ready to transform your approach to energy infrastructure and marine engineering? Your opportunity to become a strategic leader in offshore operations starts now. Seize the moment to develop the skills that will define the future of offshore energy production and engineering excellence.